If sugar rehab was a thing, honestly, I think a lot of people would be like signing themselves up for it. Like, lock me in until I'm clean. Today is a highly requested video, okay? I was asking you guys on Instagram what you needed help with, and I got a lot back on needing help with quitting sugar. How to do it like the easiest way and how to make it actually lasting. Recently, quitting sugar has definitely become popular. What I wanted to talk about today were about the clear signs that sugar cravings are taking over your life, and you just need to quit sugar and kick this habit pronto. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, the go-to place for moms who are looking to transform their habits, bodies, and wallets. The ultimate place for moms to go from burnt out to knockout. If that's you, which I'm definitely guessing it is if you're watching this video, then hit the little subscribe button now because I have so many good videos for you. So let's get into it, okay? You guys know I don't mess around with dropping the info, so I'm getting straight to it. So firstly, when it comes to quitting sugar though, I will say I have a big old PSA for you, and that is that not everyone needs to actually quit sugar. I'm not the sugar police. I'm not the type of nutritionist that is just going to sit here and shout from the rooftops that everyone, has to get off the white stuff immediately. That's definitely not it. Like, you guys know I'm not that black and white at all. It's not all or nothing. Eating is never all or nothing. There are definitely super clear signs of sugar cravings, and I want to go through how to know maybe if your body is a bit too reliant on the sugar, okay? And the cravings and addictions have gotten to that point that they're just not healthy anymore. Firstly, the biggest sign ever is that your energy levels just suck. You feel so up and down throughout your day. You just feel really groggy, and then you're energetic and good, but then you're really sleepy. And you just go through a cycle of ridiculous amounts of ups and downs, and nothing is sustained, and you just feel like crap, especially in the afternoon, okay? If you have no energy in the afternoon, that's a sign you've messed up your eating in your day somehow and somewhere, okay? Don't chalk it up to mommy life. That's not the case most of the time. It can go back to how much sugar and refined carbs you're actually eating. Secondly, massive sign that you need to quit sugar is you get headaches in the day. If you suffer from regular headaches and you've definitely ruled out anything medical that could be causing them, then I would say odds are you're consuming too much sugar and they're the actual root of your headaches. The rise and fall of your insulin is causing this, which is directly related to your sugar intake, aka you're eating too much sugar. Another massive sign is you need to eat 2 to 3 hours. Every 2 to 3 hours, you are famished. Okay, I'm going to strike out the belief and the little hack you might have heard from the diet culture that you need to be eating every 2 to 3 hours to boost your metabolism. This is so false. It's pure fake news, okay? Getting hungry that often, it shows your blood sugar levels are disrupted and you're relying way too much on simple carbs and sugar and not enough on protein and fats. And those are the kinds of things that actually stabilize your hunger and allow you to go hours without eating and be in a good energy state because of it. These are some of the biggest signs that you need to quit sugar, or at the very least, you need to start to really cut down on it. You don't actually, and I should say you really shouldn't, go cold turkey and cut out absolutely everything from day one. Going strong day one, it's all out there. That is not the way to actually do it and sustain it. It needs to be a gradual thing. The best way to do this is to start with your first 2 meals of the day, so breakfast and lunch, and go from there, okay? That is the initial few meals that you should be using. I have an amazing recipe pack and meal plan that's specifically designed for high energy, aka meaning it's low in sugar. That's actually delicious and it's actually easy as hell, which I'm going to link below for you so you can grab as well. This pack is an amazing place to start on your journey with quitting sugar, and you will feel so much better even after just a few days on the plan and following the recipes that I've laid out, okay? I guarantee it. Let me know if you've liked this video with a thumbs up, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I love hearing from you. I love giving you guys more information if you need it. I release new videos every Thursday at 7 p.m. UK time, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And I will see you in my next video.